Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're going to talk about something very real and very raw. We're going to talk about hair restoration and what unfortunately was my thinning hair that you could see live over the last 5 years as I've grown this channel. It used to be 911 Reviews. We've grown into 911 Studios because we have several different studios. We're recording with Amy and Sean, myself, and unfortunately, I started to lose some hair. And you can tell now my hair is pretty thick, a lot better than it was. So let's see, maybe I'll show you a little bit of side by side and tell you how Hair Restoration Laboratories, this is professional strength hair restoration shampoo. Some of their products have really helped me. And this is true stuff. I don't like to talk about this, but I did testosterone. I tried testosterone, right? And the dosage of testosterone was fine. It really didn't change my overall physical makeup, but one thing it did, I didn't realize this at the time, is it left too much DHT in my system. DHT is something that is a byproduct that's left after you're done doing testosterone. You get testosterone in your system, and you know what that does? It binds with the follicles in your hair, and if you have a genetic disposition to lose hair, well, guess what? Those hair follicles are going to shrink up early and you're going to lose hair early. That's why you see guys like Hulk Hogan and frankly Macho Man Randy Savage, even though he had some work done, they get bald earlier than you would expect. Hulk Hogan was completely bald in his 20s. All that extra DHT, that sort of thing in your system will cause you to lose hair. I didn't realize it, but I started to get one of those, horseshoe bald patterns, and I don't want that. So you need a DHT blocking shampoo and maybe something in your diet. Now, very frankly, very candidly, I took saw palmetto, which is a supplement that helps block some of the DHT out of your blood, as well as a good DHT blocking shampoo, and this is the best of the bunch. This is our most effective shampoo to help prevent, reverse hair loss and thinning. Prevent and reverse hair loss and thinning. Features proprietary DHT halting technology to promote growth of stronger, thicker hair. I just always assumed you had pretty much two options. You go bald or you don't. Maybe you take some Rogaine, maybe you don't, but there's nothing else out there. Well, this is over the counter. It's, let's see if we can get a thumbnail. It's relatively inexpensive. And yeah, it says dramatically improves the appearance of thinning hair, adding noticeable volume and thickness, free of sulfates, parabens, phosphates, silicones, and harsh chemicals. In my previous video, just very honestly, in my previous videos, there was a time frame about 6 months a year where I was wearing a hat in almost every video. It wasn't because I like hats, I don't wear hats in it. But I was embarrassed because every time I'd look down to read a product, it would be complete horseshoe. Now, I'm not saying that I don't have thinner hair than I did when I was 20, right? But I can tell you what, my hair is 10 times thicker. I'm not embarrassed of my hair like I was just 2 or 3 years ago. Look back, you'll see that I did a review of this and I said it made a difference. I told you how DHT blocking shampoos and blocking DHT makes a difference. Look at me today and compare. I'm going to put some side by sides. There's a real difference, folks. So if you have thinning hair, consider the fact that there are some things in your blood that are causing the hair follicles on your head to shrink up, and you can block those things. You can block them topically is one great way to do it. Just shampoo with this. I think I only do it like 3 or 4 times a week. I don't even do it every time. Yeah, 3 times a week. So use it 3 times a week, or you should see results into 3 to 5 months. So you don't have to shampoo every time with it. Use your normal shampoo, whatever you like. Mix this into your mix. Keep this there. Makes a big difference. So I'm going to put a link below. It's Hair Restoration Laboratories, LLC. I think you're going to like it.